you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the box by Fashionsta. This is the women's box for December. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my December The Box just arrived and I'm excited to see what we're going to be getting this month. This box is $19.99 a month, but they are raising it in January to $25. Free shipping on both ones. If you already have subscribed, then you do grandfather your price in at the $19.95 for all new and upcoming subscriptions that is purchased after January. It's going up to $25. So let's go ahead and get into this one and see what we have. I left the label on and then just took my address part off, so it's still technically sealed right now. So let's see what we have. All right, so it says this contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products that you will love and enjoy. And there is that. Now it says, new year, new you, 2020, 20% off, use code new. new. So there's that. If you do want to get on there and save your 20% off with your new. Again, they are raising their pricing. Now this one does go over the pricing for it. The men's box did not. Now I'm a little more confused why the men's box doesn't, but whichever. They do put this card in here because they do give back. It says Family Crisis Center. With every box purchased, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in a form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with an intentions to enhance self-confidence and self-image. So that's really cool that they are giving back. I love when companies do that because it's like we all are helping each other. If you buy the box, you're helping the company's helping others who are donating. So it's just amazing. I love when you have that that full circle. That's what it looks like when you open it up, and when you remove that, that's what's inside. So I do see this guy right on top, which is a pain reliever bath bomb, fresh bombs. I do not take baths, so I'm going to set this in a future giveaway, but it says CBD bath bomb valued at $12 for one bath bomb. Holy moly, I see CBD, but holy moly. There's that. It says wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint. The graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. Meanwhile, wintergreen and peppermint oil quiet your stress. Use one bath bomb in a tub of warm water to soothe your body's stresses. $12 for a bath bomb. It has little holes right there, but I don't smell anything. So there's item number one. Item number two says Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub Exfoliant. This just looks dirty. I don't know. Let's see. And there's no safety seal, and it already looks like somebody, look at this. Yeah, it literally looks like a finger mark went around up in there. I mean, it smells nice and clean, but why does it look like somebody's finger was up in there? I'm not sure. And there's no safety seal. It literally looks like somebody just swooped up with their finger in there. I'm not sure, but I don't know if a machine can do that motion. I don't know. You guys, let me know. Would you be leery or would you just use it on your face? Especially for your face. Like, I don't know. But there's that product, and this says $12. This exfoliating face cleanser with rose petals gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. The rosehip seed oil and ling ling essential oils are known for their anti-aging properties. This beautiful creamy texture leaves skin soft and clear and more radiant than ever. How to use? Apply a small amount to your face and gently wash. Remove with water and dry. I'm just a little concerned about this item. I don't know if I should be, but I'm a little concerned about that item. All right, you guys, this says Celeste Moon. CAS Cosmetics 4-color eyeshadow. There's that. And this says $45? $45? $45. This better be an amazing 4-quad thing. There's the inside. I like the packaging because I really like moons, suns, stars, that kind of thing. And no. Okay, so there's a little mirror. There's a little, and here is the 4-quad. I personally would not value this at $45, especially a palette that I've never heard of or a company I've never heard of. I don't know how they're getting $45 for this, but it says Crescent Moon Palette Rich Duochrome Shades, Heavy Pigmented Diamond and Shimmer Shadows. Shades included are Calypso, New Moon, Zenith, and Opilia. I'm not quite sure. I guess you could see the names if I do it that way. I'm not into like the smaller quads because this is definitely not enough for me to do a complete look. And this one's like falling apart. This one right here, can you see that little line right there? It's literally lifted up. I don't know. I don't know how this little tiny palette is $45. If you guys ever heard of this brand before, like, is this legit? I will definitely look it up, you know me. But just by looking at this, I would never value this at no $45, especially since that one is already lifting. And yeah, but there's that. So we'll see. Now, there's another product in here, and this is Glow Getter Highlighting Palette. Cara Beauty, or Cara Beauty, K-A-R-A. I've never heard of that brand either. This says Glow Getter Highlighter Palette, $15. Are you a go-getter for a better glow? These 6 shades will have you shining from across the room. These highlighters are meant to serve looks. These shades are, hold on, I don't want you to hear all that. So there's that. These highlighters are meant to serve looks. These shades are preciously picked. You can start from any shade and add on to it for the super glow. You glow, girl. So let's see. Okay, so just like, it looks like any normal like 6 shade kind of highlighter palette with the different color variations. So there is that. I'm not gonna swatch this because I have so many highlighter palettes going on that I would probably rather just save this to somebody else that would want to use it because I have so many of them. But there is a highlighting palette right there, and this is valued at $15. So we have 2 more items in here, you guys. So this right here is the 5th item, and it is a face mask. It says Sheet Face Mask, $7. $15.20 is all about an effective and reliable skincare and beauty regimen that seamlessly fits into your routine. They are dedicated to providing customers with high quality products and unparalleled results. Their customers have fallen in love with their glow and radiance thanks to $15.20. Enjoy this face sheet mask from their essentials routine, which includes all natural dry biocellulose. It is the softest material and 4 times stronger than any plant cellulose and retains 200 times its dry weight in water, staying moist throughout the entire process. So this is valued at $7. Okay, now the last item in here I did see on one of their spoilers, and I'm so excited because if you guys know, I do buy the Teami products. I'm actually a part of their Teami's affiliate program, which I do have a code for them. And I've done the Butterfly Mist. I have the Vitamin C. I even have the Detox. I have to use this yet. I haven't used this just yet, but I do have this still to use. And I am currently using this with the Vitamin C serum. So I'm really excited to get this because I wanted to buy this so I can try all of their skincare line. And now we got it. Look at this beauty. It is the Soothe Tea Infused, And it does have little like flowers and stuff going on in there. Everything is natural and tea infused. So this right here, again, is from Teami, and this is valued at $40, and it says, Soothe Facial Oil is infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensation to your skin. Oils are a pure form of moisturizer and seamlessly absorbs into the deeper layers of your skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. Perfect for all skin types, made with 100% pure plant extracts and natural mineral ingredients. You will not find any harmful fillers, preservatives, or chemicals added. Teami uniquely formulated this gorgeous blue potion oil to aid in protecting and rejuvenating the skin. Use a dropper, 3 to 4 drops onto the palm of your hands or directly onto your skin. Rub the oil together, warm it up, and apply it to your skin in a circular motion. Use oils in the morning before you put on your makeup or before bed. The oils absorb into the skin and leave it protected all day long. This is valued at $40. So this is double the cost of this entire box. So this alone, I'm super, super excited about. And again, I was going to go and purchase this at some point. So I'm glad to now have that. This product, I'm not quite sure because of it having that looking like somebody literally took their finger in there. I'm a little thrown off by this item. Let me know if you guys did receive this. Did yours look like that too? Let me know what your thoughts are on this item because I don't know what to do with this product. And if it is for my face, I don't want to just put it on there if there's something going on with it, you know? And that is everything that came in this month's The Box. What did you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that were inside? Do you think this is still a great box, especially for the price? Again, I'm locked in at the $19.95. If you order or sign up after January, it will be $25 a month. I mean, I think it's still a good value, but now it looks like everybody is sticking at $25. Ipsy, BoxyCharm, now The Box. Everything's going to be the same price. So if you're looking at something for $25, all now you need to do is figure out which company is the best one for you. I do have them linked down below. You guys can check them out if you would like. I'm not sure if their waitlist is closed again, but if it is, you can put your email address in there and they will send you an email once the waitlist is lifted and they can accept new customers. And yeah, and I do want to tell you guys, for all these cards that I have back here, thank you to every single one of you that sent me these cards for Christmas. I greatly do appreciate it. That means the world. And I did hang them up and I thought that was super, super cute. So I wanted to officially tell you guys, thank you so much for these wonderful cards behind me. And yes. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the products in here. Do you get this? Do you want to get this? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.